Hello, so today I have the jewel case of Agase or Handmaiden by Sujin, who was previously in Idol or G-Idol, but she's solo now and I love everything she does. So I can't remember if this is A version or B version, but it's the red version. That's all you really need to know. Let me remove the plastic. Okay. Alright, I think I got it all. Oh, and I'm knocking it back in here. Oh my gosh, it's going everywhere. Hold on. Alright. Okay. Back. Oh, it's pretty. So the disc looks different too. Ooh. Oh! Okay. I thought that was... I just honestly thought that that was the cover. I thought it was interesting that it overlaid over her. She's so beautiful. I love this outfit. That's amazing. There's a photo card in here and there. Okay. Oh, that must be a mini poster. Durr. Okay. Is all of this amazing outfit. I love it. Alright. Yeah, I'll pick that up later. So, I'm not sure. Cute. She's gorgeous. What is this though? It feels like it's supposed to open. Oh, the lyrics. Duh. I love this. Got this picture of her though. It threw me off because of the red background. Oh, she's gorgeous. Is that the same pose as it? No, it's not. It's a little different. Okay. And for the photo card. Gorgeous. Oh my god, the earrings. I love the earrings. I'm so jealous. Alright, that is all. Thank you for watching. Bye!